Can you hear that? It's nature talking. Talking trees between each other and to us, what scientists call the wood wide web, the mycorrhizal network. They're actually communicating beneath the surface, sharing signals of nutrition, of water, even the older trees supporting the younger trees. The Degel Machaneh Ephraim, the grandson of the Baal Shem Tov, described it as Hashem Yitbarach, Mitlabesh B'Teva, actually is enclosed in nature. And he explains Pei Vav, 86, is the numerical value of both Elokim, of God, and Hateva, the nature, because nature is God's way of staying anonymous. Taf Shin Pei Vav, we're going into this incredible year, 5786, the Jewish year. But Taf Shin Pei Vav is also Tiesh Shnat. It should be a year of Pei Vav, of this 86, of Hateva, of nature, of Elokim, of godliness. How are you going to stop to listen to the natural godliness around you? And how are you going to respond? Shana Tova Mituka.